If enabled by your service provider, your MaX UC mobile application provides you with an embedded interface where you can see the presence of other MaX UC users in your business group, as well as send and receive instant messages. By selecting the Chat tab from the mobile app, you're given the option to create a new chat session or continue an existing chat session. When chatting with a contact, you can quickly see their current availability as shown here. To create a new chat, hit the plus icon here. Enter the recipient's name or phone number in the corresponding field. Once done, proceed to enter your message in the Type Message field. To send the message, tap the paper airplane icon or the Send button. Your message is now sent.